Hunter, what is that?
Pumpkins.
What kind of pumpkins?
Munchkins.
What are they?
Munchkins.
Munchkins. Can you pick out a couple?
Yeah.
I think Papa's here.
Look who's here, Hunter. The one who grew the munchkins and pumpkins. Hey, have you picked out your pumpkin for Halloween yet? For Halloween trick or treat for your.
Yes, this one.
You want that one there?
Yep.
Okay, why don't you set that one off the side?
This one is for a scary.
For a scare face?
Yeah. And this one is for candy.
For the candy. Okay, you're gonna put candy in there. Okay, well let's go ahead and set these off the side. Okay, set them over there so that you can keep and won't get them mixed up with everybody else's. Which one are you gonna take? Which one do you want?
This one.
That one, okay. And that one.
This one.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, well, so now, how about some little baby pumpkins?
Okay.
These are called, over here, look. Look, all these lined up here.
Yeah.
Those are called sugar pumpkins. You say
Okay.
sugar pumpkins? You want to know why they call them sugar pumpkins?
There's a munchkin right there.
There we go. Yeah.
Little buggy.
A little buggy? Yeah, well, you know why they call them sugar pumpkins?
Why?
They're for making pumpkin pie. And pumpkin muffins and pumpkin bread. Do you like pumpkin bread? Nana's pumpkin bread?
No.
Yes, you do. Oh, you love that. And you like pumpkin pie too, don't you? Huh? Yeah. Why don't you pick out a couple pumpkins, munchkins there? I mean, a couple sugar pumpkins. Well, look at this. You pick out your pumpkin.
Yeah.
You take that one home.
Yeah.
And in a little bit, I'm going to go show people how to make pumpkin pie filling, okay?
Yeah.
And I appreciate you helping me pick out a pumpkin, and we're looking forward to having you help me again with more stuff in the garden in the future.
Yeah.
All right, well, you say goodbye, everybody, now.
Bye.
And we'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Here we go. And the many pumpkins we grew this year. I think I got about 36 in total of sugar pumpkins. So, I'm going to start with a couple of sugar pumpkins here. Just want to basically snap these guys off on top, like so. And then, nothing like having your own pumpkin puree for pumpkin pies, pumpkin bread, pumpkin, what else used for pumpkins? Pumpkin bread, pumpkin pie. So here we go, here's the insides. And we're gonna scoop the flesh out. And I'm gonna check this one also. I'm gonna show you this one here. It's a little bigger. Here we go. And be careful once you cut your fingers off because of this thing here. It's a little bit tricky to get them cut, but once you get them down, they're good to go. Okay, lovely. So I'm gonna go ahead and start scooping the pulp out. This is so simple to do. Nothing like your own organically grown pumpkin. So here we go. We got all the pulp out, as the kids call it, slime. Put it in here. Oh, and by the way, pumpkin seeds are very nutritional. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take some of these seeds, and being organic, really excited about that. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out, lay them on a cookie sheet, probably wash them, and get some of the slime off of it, the pulp off of it. Put a little sea salt on it, and bake those later on. And the nutrition level is just huge. But we're going to go ahead and take this guy. This is so amazing. Just going to turn it upside down, and like so. We'll take the other one once we get done with that. Upside down on top of parchment paper. You do want that. It keeps your trays from getting all cooked up, and it's easy just to pull them off. And then we're going to put them into a 400. Actually, I'm going to do a 375 degree oven, and in they go like so. And they're going to cook probably for about 45 minutes until a knife goes in softly. And I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, and we'll be back to show you the end product. All right, so we've got these pumpkins put out of the oven. This one I'm already working on, taking the flesh out of it. And here's the other ones, how they looked coming out of there. Beautiful. Look at that, huh? Nice. Sounds nice and pumpkin-y. That's such a thing. But so we're just going to dig out the flesh here and Don't have to get it all out the best you can. And it seems, since I slowed down the temperature at the end, what I did is at the last 10 minutes I turned it down to 300 degrees and just let it kind of slowly cook at the end so it wouldn't burn. And it seems a little more dry than the last time. So I guess once again, depends how much moisture your pumpkins had while they're growing. I guess determines how much moisture you're going to get inside. And just by the size of some of these sugar pumpkins, lets me know there's a lot of moisture available to them to grow this year. So we'll just get that best we can scooped out. And then we're going to take the immersion blender and away we go. So let's get this out of the way here. Just show you how simple this is. Well, even I can do this. Here we go. Keys get this thing going. Nice, beautiful color to it. You really want to make sure it's pretty well blended because you don't want chunks in your chunky tomato, pumpkin pie, or chunks in your pumpkin bread. So make sure it really gets cleaned up. It's a beautiful, organically grown pumpkin. So we'll hopefully get some more videos out to you shortly. Have a great night.